In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce sixth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you master English pronunciation one word at a time. Today's word is sixth. Now this one can be quite tricky, even for native speakers, because of its complex consonant cluster. Let's say it together slowly. Sixth. The word sixth refers to the number that comes after fifth and before seventh. It's spelled S-I-X-T-H. And the pronunciation often trips people up because it ends with a difficult blend of X and th sounds. The correct pronunciation is sixth. Let's break that down. Six, as in the number six, and then a soft th sound like in think. Many people mistakenly say sixth or sixth, dropping the th altogether. To get it right, try exaggerating each part. Say six clearly, pause for a brief moment, and then add the th. Try it now. Sixth. This word shows up often in dates, rankings, and sequences like the 6th of July or she came in sixth place. It's important to pronounce it clearly so your meaning is not confused. You could say, for example, this is my sixth attempt at baking a cake, or she lives on the sixth floor. Practicing full sentences helps lock in the pronunciation. Let's say the word again a few more times. Sixth. Doing tongue twisters with similar sounds can also help. Try saying sixth grade students sat silently. Tricky but fun. You're doing an amazing job so far. Remember, consistency is key. Practice this word daily until it becomes natural. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Sixth. Great work. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more videos for tough English words. See you next time.